8 megapixels. Also a notification LED. On the right side is the power button and the mono loudspeaker. On the back is the main camera, the fingerprint sensor and a single LED flash. The fingerprint sensor is in the same easy-to-reach location, but it feels a little slower than the S9. The volume key is on the left edge of the phone above the main SIM card tray. Glad to see the 3.5mm jack is still here, next to the mic and the USB Type-C. On top is the second SIM card tray together with the micro SD card and another digital mic. Some more features like Samsung Pay, Bixby Assistant and Secure Folder are also available, which improves the experience, and most of the time you will not feel the need for a better device. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description down below.